So chilly. What?
Nothing. Alright, good morning everyone. It's about 7:40 right now. It rained on us all night last night, so our tent is wet, so we're just it just stopped right now, so we're kind of just waiting a little bit for maybe the breeze to dry off some of the tent. It's only 59 degrees this morning, so it's a bit chilly.
It didn't rain as hard as we were expecting. Like, our inner layer is not wet or anything.
It was just like a drizzle.
Yeah, the big band of red actually blew through faster, so like went right south of us. So we didn't even get any lightning or thunder.
No, it wasn't too bad. It was really muggy and like hot and sticky, so it was kind of hard to sleep. Like, you wanted to put your sleeping bag on because it was chilly, but then when you put your sleeping bag on, you got like super hot and sweaty, so it was like just a back and forth all night. Anyways, we have
a lot to pack up.
Yeah, we're gonna finish packing up right now and then probably try to shake the tent off.
Get going.
And then we'll get going. Alright, so we got all packed up, and then right as we did, it started raining on us.
We got the tent packed before it rained, so it's all good.
Anyways, we need to give a couple of shout outs this morning. First, thank you to Joe and Diana, Gary, and Magnolia for supporting the channel. Woo! You guys are awesome. Totally unexpected, but you guys are great. Thank you so much. Anyway, as we carry along, walking in the rain, trying to avoid all the puddles on this gravel road, what do we got for today?
So we're gonna shoot for about 18.2 miles and then we'll be camping near a canal there. Rob unfortunately is having some foot issues, so his sister's gonna pick him up. He might drop some water off for us, so I might dump like 3 liters of water.
Yeah, so Kevin doesn't need to carry 6 liters if we're gonna have a cache ahead. So yeah, we would only need water for the day.
Yeah.
This morning I was over by the water just messing around, and a huge animal was like whoosh, 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 started splashing. Scared me.
She might have got it on camera, but
I gotta learn not to go near the water. Anyway, we're gonna, I don't know, hope it quits raining on us and
get going.
Get going.
Before we started this portion of the ECT, we didn't see anything on gut hooks, or sorry, far out, that really mentioned many places to stay. It did mention one that was like 0.6 after you get past the bridge, but we've been seeing places like this like every half mile or so. So if anybody is wondering where you can stay, there's quite a bit of places along this canal so far. It's 1:45. We're taking our break, lunch break.
Lunchtime.
I'm just gonna have a peanut butter tortilla with some crackers. What are you gonna eat?
I'm going to have a tortilla with salami on it and pickles.
Seen some more gators, but haven't been able to record them yet.
Yeah, they're too quick. They just pop up out of the water, just their face, and then pop back down once they see us coming.
We'll try to get one for you guys, though.
But not too close.
Not the toolbox. Couldn't find my mushroom.
Alright, so we stopped again just for a real quick break. There's a trash can here. Ah. My favorite things on trail, trash cans. Get rid of all of my stinky pickle containers. But anyway, so we're putting our pack covers back on again because it started sprinkling, and Kevin looked at the weather and it says it's going to rain just for a little bit, not for too long, but we don't want to get wet, so.
All right, so we are outside this information board, and we're gonna do some test your knowledge of Florida. So what is the Florida state mammal? It's the Florida panther. So the Florida panther is in this area searching for white-tailed deer. The state wildflower is tickseed. The state insect is the zebra longwing butterfly.
The mosquito.
And
The mosquito.
and the state tree is the sable palm. Those are your Florida fun facts.
So apparently there's a gun range right across the canal. Yeah, right over there. All right, it's 10 after 5. This is our spot for the night. We're getting set up. Good evening, everyone. It's 6:30 almost. We are in our tent. It is currently raining. It started raining a little bit after we got here, which was such a freaking bummer. But anyway, we did have some awesomeness happen. Rick and Rob hooked it up, and their sister Joy drove down and got us McDonald's. We also got sodas, Diet Coke, Dr. Pepper, our favorite. So thank you to Joy and Rob for coming all this way and bringing us
our goodies.
happiness.
And water. They brought water. And
Yeah.
hopefully we'll see Rob back on the trail tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
After
tomorrow.
we get to the end. Yeah.
So where are we?
We're at lock C113E.
So today was pretty much just following that canal all day long. Not much to see.
As you can hear in the background, we are listening to the lock running.
Yeah, like
four
the
big
generator or whatever, if you can hear it over the sound of this rain. Which won't bother me at all while we're sleeping because I like sounds like
And
that.
there's like a light, which isn't too big of a deal, but this is just like the locks are where you can get the best grass and flat land.
That
so.
sounds so weird, but it's true.
And where we could meet Rob. So.
Yes. Other than that, today we saw another alligator, just the top of its head. Did you also talk about that snake we saw?
No, because it was dead.
Oh, well, we saw a dead snake.
Yeah,
it was
like
a python.
Yeah, we'll put a picture here.
It was
Warning, it's dead.
It was large though. It was crazy. But yeah, we're just gonna probably hit the hay. Well, I guess it's only 6:30. We'll probably just hang out for a little bit and then hit the hay. So before we close this out, we want to once again thank our awesome supporters of the channel. First,
Well, Joy and Rob again.
yeah,
And Rick.
But
Our trail grandpa.
Gary, thank you very much. We also have Magnolia, our AT friend, and Joe and Diana. So thank you all very, very much for supporting the channel. And we will see you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early.
Not bright, it's gonna be cloudy, overcast.
Cloudy and early.